Our Aegis Iron feature tractor this week is in fact not a tractor, that's obvious. It's a 1949 Dodge pickup. It's owned by Carroll Etchen of Clear Lake, Iowa. And this truck has a bit of history for you because you grew up with the man that had this truck. He gave it to you as a gift, didn't he?
Yeah, he was a buddy I grew up with. We run around together when we was kids. And we went to surf together. We went all over together. He had twins, and I had the one daughter, and we'd go different places. And a couple of days before he was really bad, dying of cancer, he told me he'd give me a pickup. But it was sitting in a corn crib, and it was the front wheels, the bumper was on the ground that had washed through the corn crib. So I went to the tractor down there and pulled it out and blew both front tires. And I hoisted it up on my 3-point hitch and pulled it home.
So it didn't come out of the shed looking like this?
No. But then I stripped it down. I took the engine out and the body all off and got it down to the frame.
Right.
And then I sandblasted the whole frame, and I put all new brake cylinder kits in and new linings on the wheel. And then I took the pickup over to body shop in Garner, and he started in on it while I was rebuilding the motor. And I didn't have no tailgate, but there's an old guy who lives in Mason City, had a 49 pickup that I was trying to buy off of. And my buddy told me there was no end gate, and he was lost by some fence line. He was picking up rocks and took the end gate out. So I went over there and couldn't make a deal with him, but then he died, and about 4 years later. Well, then I finally got a hold of his daughter and bought the pickup off of him for $1,000 just to get the end gate.
You mean you're telling me that's a $1,000 end gate in the back there?
That's right.
Now you have to explain, Oh Willie. Was that your friend's name?
That was my friend's name. It was Willie Sholey. So that's why I got a license plate, Oh Willie. With
all the effort you put into this and the money you put into this, you were preserving history, weren't you?
Well, sure. They don't make them that way anymore. There's metal in that.
Yeah. For more information about Carroll's 1949 Dodge truck and other Aegis Iron feature tractors, you can go to agriculture.com/TV. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.